is a very rainy, dreary afternoon here in Hamilton, Georgia. And today's adventure brings us over here to the Hamilton Ice Cream Company. And I heard they have some delicious Valentine's Day ice cream. And we're gonna go over there and try some. Walking over here, if you notice on the sidewalk, it says Hamilton Ice Cream Company. Next time you're here, look at the sidewalk that leads up to this delicious ice cream shop right here in the heart of Hamilton, Georgia. Let's go get our Valentine's Day ice cream. They have two selections actually of the Be My Valentine ice cream. This one is 2 scoops of strawberry or vanilla ice cream. Some little conversation hearts, which are the little miniature hearts with the message on it. Tiny love hearts. I think those are the little toppings. And rainbow sprinkles, which is really pretty. A Valentine sugar cookie. And a heart lollipop, which that'll be great. Up here they have the chocolate love. This one's called chocolate love, and it has 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream or vanilla, your choice. Some Valentine's M&Ms. Red sanding sugars on the top. Chocolate chips. A chocolate heart ring, which is really cute. And a bling ring. And those look very, very good. They come in the little heart cups, it looks like. How cute. And we're going to try these in just a second. Right for Valentine's Day. And here's the menu. They've got single dips, double dips, triple dips. Waffle cones, floats, classic cookie, orange creamsicle, root beer, sherbet, and Sprite. That looks good. Over here, hand-dipped shakes. Those are my favorite too. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. All other flavors of shakes are $5. They have the strawberry shortcake, brownie supreme, dirt sundae, fairy dust, classic banana split. And I'm ready for my chocolate hearts. Up here they have the Dole Whip. I love the Dole Whip. If you've ever had a Dole Whip, those are incredibly delicious. They also have the pineapple vanilla swirl. And up here are all the flavors of the ice creams. Incredible. They even have no sugar added and gluten-free. They have non-dairy also. As a maintenance customer, you're guaranteed to co.com to sign up. We look forward to serving you in 2020. This could be deep in thrombosis, a blood clot which can travel to your body by phone, online, or in person. Brought to you by Bristol Myers Squibb. So this is how cute. Chocolate love. This is the chocolate love.
And then this is Be My Valentine.
And this, let me get a picture of these real quick.
Okay, there you go, ma'am.
Awesome, thank you.
No problem.
These are
Just
cute.
let us know if you need anything.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to try these beautiful and delicious ice creams. And of course, one of them comes with a ring. One of them comes with a lollipop. Okay, and I'm about to try the one with the heart ring in the middle and the chocolate heart on the back. I noticed this one has chocolate morsels in it.
Tonight at 8/7 Central, only on the CW Jabama.
Mmm, that is so good. It's very chocolatey. Very smooth. You can taste the sprinkles and the M&Ms and the chocolate morsels. Actually, let's take this out.
From the kitchen to the laundry room, that upgrade is well within reach.
Mm.
And closer than ever. Save on top appliances.
That was so good. This is a little heart ring it comes with. Isn't that cute? That's beautiful. And this one's Peppermint Crunch. And it's one of their premium flavors. So let me try Peppermint Crunch. with this one. Has a very peppermint flavor. It's delicious, and it comes with a little heart pop and a Hug Me cookie and a little beautiful Valentine cup. That is absolutely beautiful. These ice creams are so incredibly delicious. And I love the little hearts that comes with. So cute. Delicious. Very tasty. Very tasty Valentine's hearts. This really made my day. This is so incredibly delicious, and I absolutely love the M&M's. Great cup. This is just wonderful. Wonderful ice cream. I absolutely love it. It has great flavor. I love my Valentine's cup. I'm gonna get it. Beautiful flavor with that chocolate and the M&M's mixed in. Absolutely incredible. This is my favorite ice cream in the whole world. Right here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company in Hamilton, Georgia. These are the cones with the waffle cone. You can get any ice cream you want in there. Those are just beautiful. And there's chocolate chip mint ice cream. Absolutely delicious. Delicious, delicious ice cream. Just perfect. Absolutely. Absolutely delicious. Even the beautiful waffle cone piece is delicious, and it goes well with ice cream. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful flavor. So, so good. So delicious. This is the most wonderfully delicious ice cream I've had. It really warms my heart. It's so incredibly delicious. So good. Right here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company in Hamilton, Georgia. Incredible. So good. And I absolutely love the Valentine ice cream. It's very, very delicious. And it comes in a beautiful little cup. Okay, here we go. There we go. That was so delicious. I've even tried a banana split. Those are incredible. I'll link it below in the description. If you can see this, they have t-shirts available that have Hamilton Ice Cream Company on the front. Just tell them your size. They're really pretty. They even have hot chocolate. Traditional, which is gourmet, topped with mini marshmallows or whipped cream. Peppermint hot chocolate, which is good. Gourmet hot chocolate with a peppermint stir spoon. Peppermint marshmallows and topped with whipped cream. Wow. Caramel hot chocolate, gourmet hot chocolate with caramel swirled in, plus whipped cream and extra caramel drizzle on top. Chocolate chip hot chocolate. Wow. Gourmet hot chocolate with a generous scoop of chocolate chips, stirred in for an extra chocolatey taste, topped with mini marshmallows, plus whipped cream and chocolate chips. Well, I like all of them, really. Are these your hours of operation?
Those are. So currently right now through February, at the end of February, we're only Thursday through Sunday, and we're open till 7.
Okay, open till 7 p.m. All right, and what time do y'all open?
We open weekdays at 2, and then on weekends we open at 12.
Okay, all right. Well, good to see y'all again.
Good to see you,
Thank
Holly. I
you.
hope you enjoyed it.
Y'all too. I thought it was wonderful. Every time it's a real treat to come here. Every time I love it.
But
It's
we
incredible.
Like serving you.
Thank you. I love y'all. Okay, see y'all. Thank y'all. That was delicious. That was absolutely delicious. I love the Valentine ice cream. Wonderfully delicious. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.